Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be predicting Nvidia's stock price trend. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider a stock's price movements beyond a month. This channel only provides short-term stock price forecasts, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe. Nvidia stock hit a record closing high on Friday. Technically, the stock is still in an uptrend. The current price isn't significantly above its 5-day moving average, and trading volume over the past 5 days hasn't increased significantly, suggesting that the bullish investors driving the stock price haven't yet withdrawn significantly. However, since the stock has been rising for 4 consecutive months, it seems to be facing some downward pressure. I wouldn't be surprised if the stock price corrects downward, as some capital has indeed flowed out of the market over the past week. But the cumulative outflow has been limited. The 30-minute chart shows that the stock price hit $183.80 on July 31st. After a brief pullback, the stock rebounded, but failed to break through $183.80. This suggests the stock is facing some resistance at its current level. It's clear that bulls are less willing to push the stock price higher. A technical correction may be necessary. However, judging by trading volume, there doesn't appear to be much capital outflow from the market during recent highs. So even if the stock price declines, bulls won't allow it to fall too far. Looking at the stock's position distribution, we can see that over the past 2 weeks, there has been a significant increase in positions in the $174 to $183.80 range, indicating some capital outflow. However, there is still a significant amount of positions below $164.50, suggesting that bullish investors who entered the market at previous lows haven't yet withdrawn en masse. Technically, the stock hasn't shown any clear signs of a pullback yet. The stock's 2 recent pullbacks seem to have seen significant long-term buying, making it difficult for bears to significantly push the stock price lower. Barring significant negative news from the outside, bulls will likely maintain their momentum until the next quarterly earnings report is released. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. According to the Financial Times, 2 major chip giants, Nvidia and AMD, have agreed to provide the U.S. government with a portion of revenue from certain chip sales in China in exchange for export licenses to sell Nvidia's H20 and AMD's MI308 chips in China. Furthermore, concerns are growing in China about Nvidia's H20 AI chip, with Chinese state media expressing concerns about backdoor security issues. On July 31st, the Cyberspace Administration of China (CAC) demanded that Nvidia explain whether its H20 chip poses any security risks. However, Nvidia denied all allegations, claiming that its products contain no backdoors. It's clear that these 2 chip giants, especially Nvidia, have become part of the U.S.-China tussle. In April, after the Trump administration banned Nvidia from exporting its H20 chip to China, its stock price fell by less than 5%, but has since continued to rise. This suggests that investors have already factored in China's revenue into the stock's upward trend. Therefore, even if Nvidia's chips were completely banned from the Chinese market, the impact on its stock price would be limited. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently named Nvidia a key partner, and Tesla is scaling back its internal microchip product line and disbanding its supercomputer team, suggesting that Tesla will contribute significantly more revenue to Nvidia in the future. In short, I currently don't see any significant external factors that could cause a significant drop in Nvidia's stock price. My only concern is that the stock has been rising for several consecutive days, which suggests a short-term technical correction is possible, but I don't expect bulls to allow the stock to fall too far. I'm targeting a price target around $168, after which the stock will rebound and return above $174 pending the next quarterly earnings report. Okay, everyone, that's my price forecast for Nvidia stock. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.